Warm welcome back to Pets Cute Moments. Hope this video brings you a good laugh.
No. No. NANI?!
What's it? Ready? Do you love that? Yeah. Yeah, she is. She's flicking her feet. Are you swimming?
My happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh. NANI?! Oh my God! Wow!
Swimming? Not even in the water?
NANI?! What?!
Let's take it with me.
What?! No.
If the video made you laugh, please leave a comment which part of the video made you laugh the most. Thanks.
Are you a good boy? Is this how we brush your teeth? Oh my God! Wow!
Oh, come here, come here, come here. Whoa.
Oh, good boy.
Lifestyle of the rich and famous dog. I'll take.
You swimming, baby? What are you doing?
My happy, happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy.
Get it, you?
What? What?
Once the baby comes.
My happy, happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy.
Did you say we were gonna be ready? I know, I'm taking a video of that. I got distracted by.
Hello, pretty girl. Hello, pretty girl.
Let's go, buddy. What are you doing?
We're celebrating early, okay? Very first cappuccino.
Mowgli, what are you doing? Get out of here. No, that's my sandwich.
Thank you for watching the whole video. Please like and share the video if you laughed. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. Thank you very much.
There we go.